So you may be wondering all this time, why would we want to put so much effort and resources into a dead planet? If we know that Mars doesn't have life, then it really doesn't make any sense to send humans there unless it's possible to terraform the planet, which could take hundreds of thousands of years. The debate is that we are wasting our time even thinking about sending humans to Mars. Evidence suggests that the red planet was warmer, and it had a thicker atmosphere than it does now, which might have made it a habitable planet millions of years ago. But while life arose and evolved on Earth, Mars underwent serious climate change, and its atmosphere consists of 96% carbon dioxide, 1.9% nitrogen, and 1.9% argon, with other trace gases. Nothing like Earth's nitrogen and oxygen atmosphere. Many of you know SpaceX's Elon Musk, who says it could be possible to change the planet's atmosphere and wants to terraform Mars. The biggest problem is that there isn't enough carbon dioxide to support his plan. However, Mr. Musk says that humans could release sufficient gases from the Martian soil using the right technology. There could be two ways to do this according to scientists. The first approach would be to create an atmosphere sufficient for supporting liquid water on Mars' surface. That would allow humans to walk around and breathe air. The second one involves raising the planet's atmospheric pressure, so humans would only need to use small breathing apparatus instead of a bulky spacesuit. Right now, Mars seems like a dry, dead planet. However, its polar ice caps contain equal parts of water and carbon dioxide. Musk's idea is to vaporize these ice caps with nuclear warheads, which would release those materials in the air. Once the atmosphere got thick enough, the greenhouse effect would take over, and energy from the sun, absorbed by the planet and released as infrared radiation, would become trapped. A clever idea. It could take firing thousands of them over the course of decades. And for those thinking that would make the planet even less uninhabitable, modern thermonuclear weapons can be designed to leave very little fallout. While this sounds like it might work, the problem with this is that Mars has no magnetic field to speak of. The planet did have a magnetic field when it was young, and its iron core was molten and convecting, much like how the Earth's core functions today. But 4.2 billion years ago, something shut off the planet's churning core. Scientists say that an excess of hydrogen split off from water molecules stored inside the Martian mantle, which shut down convection and switched off the magnetic field forever. Making Mars habitable is the goal of some very intelligent people, mostly because one day, either due to some environmental disaster, our expanding sun, or any other number of disaster scenarios, such as global warming, the Earth will one day become uninhabitable. SpaceX is currently working on the Starship, which is under development at the company's Boca Chica test facility in Texas, USA, that will send the first humans to Mars, which will be the first breakthrough that could pave the way for the creation of an extraterrestrial colony. And if we do overcome all the challenges, we could see a self-sustaining city on Mars by the year 2050. SpaceX wants to do testing and send humans to the surface of the moon in just 5 years from now. It will be an exciting time to see humans finally reach for the stars.